Hello guys, welcome to Moneyline tips. In today's video I'm going to share with you a total of 15 odds, 6 matches for today being Saturday the 29th of July 2023. Okay guys, every Saturday in this channel we share mega odds, and then today we are going to share with you both teams to score 15 odds. Okay, the first game today is in Austria Liga 1, where TSV Hartberg is taking on Austria Lustano, and our prediction is both teams to score at full time. Then the second game is in Iceland League 2, where IF Vestry is taking on Gruta, and our prediction is both teams to score. Also, the third game is in Finland Liga 2, where FC Vujakovic is taking on GBK Kokola, and our prediction is both teams to score. Then before I move on to list the other games, if you are playing our daily 2 odds, just pick 2 games out of these matches and stake. That will give you a total of 2 plus odds for our daily 2 odds. I'm not going to do a separate video for 2 odds for today, so just pick 2 games here and stake, and that will give you 2 odds. Moving on, and the fourth game on our list is a game in international club friendly, where Middlesbrough is taking on AJ Azuri, and our prediction is both teams to score at full time. Then the fifth game on our list is in Japan J-League, where Tokyo Verdy is taking on Mito Holiku, and our prediction is both teams to score at full time. Then the last game on our list is in Austria Division 1, where Ufberger is taking on Blue West Links, and our prediction is both teams to score at full time. And also note that all these games that I mentioned here will play over 1.5 goals and also over 2.5 goals. So any of those options, you can play them in different tickets. Over 1.5 goals in one ticket, that will give you a total of 2.8 odds. Then over 2.5 goals in another ticket, that will give you a total of about 26 odds or so. Then this both teams to score gives you 15 odds. Okay guys, that's all for today, and also remember to bet responsibly, and do not forget to like this video and share with your friends, so that when you like this video, YouTube will spread it across to so many people. Thank you, and this is the booking code for Sportybet. The booking code is 6CEB8A97. I will enlarge this when this comes up. That is the rundown of the game. The booking code is 6CEB8A97. If you are not in Nigeria and you are using Sportybet, kindly change the country to Nigeria before you insert the booking code. Alright, always remember to bet responsibly. See you in our next video.